Hi, today I'm going to teach you on how to create a WhatsApp community. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On the WhatsApp app, the first thing you need to go or the first thing you need to do is to click on communities. And from communities, on the top of the screen, as you can see, there's a plus sign that says new community. Simply press that button and from there, press get started. After that, set your community name. Let's just put an example here and a description for your community. And after that, press the next button or the right arrow on the right side of the screen. And after that, your community has been created. Now, the next thing we need to do is to add groups. You can create new groups or add existing groups. For example, I'm just going to use, let's make a new group, for example. New group sample. There you go. After that, you can simply add, or you can either choose to add members or to invite via link. And that's how you make a community on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.